Howdy folks, this is Jethro. Just wanted to come on here and do a quick bench update, or this is kind of an off the bench update. This is what I'm working on now. Is a little too big and messy for the model bench. What I'm working on here is one of my other hobbies is antique Schwinn bicycles. And I've got one here that I picked up about a year and a half ago. I picked it up as it was 1950. The best I could figure was a model D12. Straight bar they call it. I'm going to show pictures of the bike as I got it, and I got another couple of reference pictures of what it used to look like when it was new. So I'm going to go ahead and show those right here. Okay, and you can see what it looked like when I got it, and the little reference photo of what it was supposed to look like. And while I was stripping the paint, it was the red color, as you could see in the photos, and I could see white under the red. And as I was stripping it down, I could see the blue was coming through on there. And what I saw as I'm stripping it down, I can actually see the front in the other reference photo. I can show that again right here. In that photo, you can see the front of it was white and it had these little designs on here. So I've managed to get it down. This is the original 75-year-old paint on here. Now you can also see I'm not gonna, no way to be able to save that. And I wasn't planning on going back original on that stuff anyway, so I'm just gonna continue stripping this. I just thought it was cool that the original paint was still on there, and whoever had the other two previous repaints just painted over the original. I always strip them down to metal when I'm redoing a bicycle. It just looks a lot better, ends up a lot smoother. But anyway, that's what I'm involved in here. I'm still working on my other 48 a little bit. By working on it means I'm not working on it. I got sidetracked again, big surprise. But anyway, I'm gonna keep going on this and work on the 48 sedan that's built after that. So we'll keep going on all this stuff, keep myself busy. So hope y'all are doing well, and we will catch you on the next one. This is Jethro, over and out.